Did you know that 81% of travelers ditch fancy restaurants and try local grub? It's true. That's not all. A whopping 85% hunt for authentic local experiences while traveling. But why so? Why do new generation travelers explore less popular spots? Well, they believe it's time to bring changes to the traditional way of traveling and be more aware of common travel no-nos that must be avoided. So, let's find them out first. Traveling to an unknown country can call for uncertain predicaments. Not keeping digital copies while exploring overseas is a significant travel no-no. Yes, hard copies of documents can be lost, stolen, or damaged, while soft copies can provide a backup. They offer accessibility and security with easy retrieval and sharing. In emergency situations, digital copies can save the day by ensuring crucial information. Overall, it's the basic step to enhance travel safety and efficiency. Dining near a major tourist spot is the easiest way to make holes in your wallet. Why? Well, restaurants often charge high prices for low-quality food. On top of that, you may miss the authenticity of the local cuisines that you can easily get from the street food courts, and it's pretty reasonable too. So, before heading towards the popular tourist places, get some delicious grubs from local stores or pack something for later. One common travel mistake is booking a holiday too early. You might wonder what's wrong with that. But it can have some drawbacks too. Firstly, it's price fluctuation. If you book too early, you may miss out on potential deals, discounts, or last-minute offers that could have saved you money. On another note, life faces unforeseen circumstances such as personal emergencies, health issues, or natural disasters that can disrupt travel plans. Strolling through a new city. Saving money by walking everywhere. Sounds great, right? But hold on, you will lose valuable time that could be spent exploring more attractions. Travel smart, yes, but not at the expense of missing out on unforgettable experiences. Arriving tired and frustrated isn't worth it. Invest your time wisely, embrace the convenience, and uncover the city's hidden gems. After all, the experiences make your journey truly remarkable, not just the savings and sore feet. Why limit yourself to popular travel websites? They're not the only ones with great deals. Expand your options and check out other up-and-coming websites. Even though they might not be as well-known, they can still offer awesome deals on packages, hotels, and flights. Be open-minded and explore new horizons in your search for the perfect travel deals. You never know what hidden gems you might uncover. Flaunting expensive accessories in an unknown city isn't as cool as it sounds. Yep, it might drag you into some unexpected occurrences. If you want to stay out of trouble, ditch the fancy bling when you're out and about. Sporting those pricey, eye-catching accessories is like waving a sign that says, "Rob me." Especially if you're planning to visit crowded places, it's best to leave your valuable accessories at home. In the name of street photography, it might seem cool to take candid pictures and videos of people, but the person you're capturing might not like it, so it's important to be sensitive to the situation and ask for permission first. Getting into trouble with locals when you're far away from home is never worth it, so always think twice and ask before you snap. Diving into phone while swiping to check notifications is a pretty common scenario, but what if you're on vacation? Take a break from constantly checking your phone and enjoy the place you're in. Don't worry about posting on social media, chatting with friends, or thinking about work. Those things can wait. The only technology you need to bring with you is your travel gadgets, like your camera and charger adapter. So pack your bags, have an amazing time, and forget about digital distractions. Make the most of public transportation whenever you can. Skip the taxis because they often try to overcharge tourists, especially when you're roaming around in expensive cities like Toronto, Milan, or Oslo. You have to be hard on your wallet. By using buses, trains, or trams, it's pretty easy to blend in with the locals and save some money. Also, it embraces the experience of exploring the city like a resident and having extra cash to treat yourself to something special. So hop on board and enjoy the convenience of public transportation while avoiding those pricey taxis. Don't get caught off guard by hefty data charges while traveling. Before you go, either get an overseas plan from your network provider or stick to your hotel's free Wi-Fi. This way, you can avoid the shock of a massive bill when you return home. It's the simplest way to stay connected without breaking the bank. Don't put your well-being at risk by taking safety for granted. It increases health and legal complications, leads to financial losses, and disrupts your travel experiences. So nothing is more important than prioritizing your safety by researching your destination, following local laws, securing belongings, and having travel insurance. Dozing off in transit may seem like a smart move, but it could be a travel blunder. You might sleep through your stop, be at risk of theft, or feel disoriented upon waking up. And the most disappointing fact is that you may miss out on seeing beautiful sights. So, before you decide to take a nap while traveling, think about the potential risks and weigh them against the benefits. Don't limit yourself to staying in your hotel room or visiting crowded tourist spots. Instead, try exploring more underrated yet promising places like villages, towns, or a cozy little cafe nearby. Take the time to do some research, talk to locals, or ask other travelers about hidden and safe places to visit. You could discover a hidden waterfall, go on a jungle trek, or set sail to an uninhabited island. By venturing off the beaten path, you will have a more enriching experience than just visiting monuments or museums. Ever thought of staying in hostels instead of hotels? Well, it may sound unusual, but it's actually a pretty good travel hack. Hostels defy all stereotypes and offer a clean and delightful living experience. Hostels are not just a budget-friendly choice for accommodation, also provide a trendy and chic atmosphere. Plus, you can enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi, laundry, games, a dormitory, and even spacious kitchens. Beware of cultural pitfalls. Small gestures can lead to big trouble. In Croatia, don't raise your thumb, middle, and index fingers together or you will be mistaken for a Serbian nationalist. Japan forbids using first names and tipping. Turkey frowns upon public tooth-picking and nose-blowing. Iran and Turkey dislike the thumbs-up sign. In Indonesia, avoid using your left hand for handshakes and gift acceptance. And in Buddhist countries, never touch someone's head. Stay mindful and respect these customs to steer clear of trouble. So that was our list of 15 travel no-nos that you must keep in mind. We hope you enjoyed it. Are you ready to avoid these for smooth traveling? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And for everything else, stay tuned for more updates about travel tips.